My name is Adayah García. I'm 19 years old and I'm studying administration. I found out about CORDEM through a social entrepreneur who went to my high school to give us a talk about her project, School on the Road, and I began to follow her in her social media. Then, one day, checking this social media, I saw this opportunity of become part of the family CORDEM. I think CORDEM is important because more than an association or a scholarship, we are a support network of women in which we can feel empowered, we can feel in a safe place, and when you can go to feel the warmth of being in a family. I want to thank you with all of my heart for putting your drop of sand into our futures, because thanks to this we can become empowered and we can feel supported in our everyday lives, including school, personal life, and work. We all are amazing women that want to succeed in life, that we want to grow, and sometimes that is not possible without your help.